First thing first, you want to make sure you are clicking on the Tax Home section at the top left side of your screen, and you want to click on Personal Info page, then hit Continue button to open it. After that, you want to make sure to click on My Info section at the left side of your screen, and then at Personal Info page. On your info, you want to click on your name, and then hit on this Revisit button. On this page, just click on Continue button. And then at this Address pages, you can start to change your address, city, state, your zip code, and so on. After you are done with the changes, you want to click on this Continue button. Tap on Continue button again. Again, just scroll down and hit the Continue button. Click on Continue here. Then you are good to go in this page. If you click on this Address and Phone section, it will reveal your address that just changed on your tax return. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.